Welcome back to the channel, guys. This will be the second video of our image processing for beginners series. So in this video we'll see how we can read and display images using OpenCV with the help of Python programming language. So without wasting further time, let's get started. So right now I am in my Colab notebook. uh, I will give the link in the description. With the help of this link you can navigate to the Colab notebook. Here you can perform your machine learning tasks. So first thing, in this video we will use OpenCV library from Python. So first let's install the OpenCV library. Pip, for that you have to write pip install OpenCV dash Python. So for Python we'll install the OpenCV library. Once you write the code, here there's an run button. Once you click on this run button, uh, this block of code will get executed, and here you will see one correct icon. So this means your code is successfully executed. Now we have successfully installed OpenCV package. Now we will go ahead and first what we'll do, we will import all the necessary functions. So for that, first we need CV2. So this we will be using in our code. And second thing is, we will use one more function, which is cv2 dot I am sure. So that also will install. So that will take from Google dot Colab dot patches import cv2 underscore I am sure. So these two things will import. It is giving some error at like 2. So here you have to write 2. So once you will execute, it will import all the necessary things. Now first thing what we will do, so first we will read the image. So if you see on the left side, there is, I have stored one image, img.jpg. So this is the image which I have imported into my Colab file explorer. So we will be using this image in this tutorial. So now what I will do, I will read the image. So first I will create a variable. In Python there is no need to declare data type for variable. Python automatically identifies. So first we have to create one image variable, then we have to use cv2, and from cv2 we will use imRead function. And in this function you have to give path of your image. So I will give path of my image.jpg. So this is the path of my image. I will run this block of code as well. So here you can see successfully my image is imported. So I am able to read the image with the help of Python. Now what we have to do, we have to display the image. So first, before displaying, I will check whether this image is present. So first I am checking image is none. So I'm just checking there is image is there or not. So if image is not there, then what I will do, I will print one error message here, image not found. Okay, and if image is present, then in else block we will show the image. So for displaying the image we'll use cv2 underscore I am show function, and inside this function we will pass our image. So this block is responsible for displaying the image. So we'll execute this as well. Once I will execute this, you will be able to see the image here in the display section. It will take some time. So here you can see we have successfully able to display the image with the help of Python. So here we use two functions. First is imread function to read the image which present in cv2 library, and we use one more function which is cv2 underscore imshow. So this is present in Google Colab patches. So the need of using this cv2 underscore imshow because in Colab notebook uh, we can't use normal method. So there is one normal method which is cv2.imshow that we can't use here because Colab will always give you error. So because of that we have to use this latest patch function from Google Colab. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.